Good morning. I am here to tell you about Meghalaya and its cultural heritage. Meghalaya, one of the seven sisters of northeast India. Its pristine beauty, perpetual clouds, mist, dense forest, amazing living road bridges will make you fall in love with it. Meghalaya, the population of Meghalaya as of 2016 is estimated to be 32,11,474. Meghalaya covers an area of approx 22,430 square kilometers. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. The state is bounded to the south and west by Bangladeshi divisions and to the north and east by India's state of Assam. The original tribal population of Meghalaya inhabiting the state is the Khasi and Gero, who are supposed to be the parental population of Lingam tribes. Both the Khasi and Gero tribal groups are Tibeto-Burman or Mon-Khmer in origin. The eastern part of this hilly state is occupied by Nepalis. Meghalaya is also one among the three states in India which has a majority of at least 70% of Christian population who follows Christianity. The people of Meghalaya have a rich tribal cultural heritage. One of the distinct features of the culture of the people is their tradition of matrilineal system, where lineage and inheritance are traced through women. Dance is an indispensable part of the culture of the people, Meghalaya especially among the Khasi community. These dance forms depict the history or the life cycle of an individual or a village. These dance forms vary according to the regional taste, but still portray a universal culture. The people of this community celebrates various festivals like Kashat Sukmansyam, Kapombalang, etc. According to the Jantiya's culture, festivals are celebrated mainly to bring a balance between man, his culture, and his natural environment or ecosystem. The people also believe that the celebration of festivals brings unity and good spirit among the population and the surroundings. The art and craft are part of their culture. The people of Meghalaya are known for their weaving skills and creating cane mats, stools and baskets. That's all about Meghalaya. Thank you.